guys, how you doing? My name is Jimmy, guys. I'm from Jisher, the community, guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make fillet tilapia. It's pretty much easy, nothing complicated about it, guys. So I want you to follow the process. But before I go anywhere, one thing I'm gonna ask you guys, please, always share the video for us. It's very important. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for us. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna show you the tilapia right here. They're very thick, as you can see. Okay, so a lot of people do things different, so I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna start putting my Maggi on top of the tilapia. Okay, all right. Second one, the same thing. So you need like the taste could go in there. Okay, then I flip it over. You do the same, repeat the process again. Okay, when I'm done, put my ground black pepper. You always put in both sides, guys, not only one side, both sides. And flip it over again. Okay. Then paprika. Put paprika in there. Whew. As you can see, I put too much, guys, so when it's like that, don't be shy to make mistake, guys. You cooking for yourself, take your time. Okay, and flip it over again. Put paprika on that side. Okay, so well seasoned. I'll just squeeze a little lemon, just a little bit, not too much, and one side is okay. So after I put my lemon, so that's that flour right here, guys, that corn flour. Okay, as you can see, okay, easy thing, guys, to make, nothing hard about it. And the last process is to fry it, guys. You can follow me, so I'll show you how to fry it. So as you can see, I already put my, my oil is very hot. Actually, it's even not too hot. It's very steaming right now. As you can see, it's very steaming, so I have to put it low. Okay. Go back a little bit because it's very hot. I didn't make it too hot like that, okay? Okay, guys, so it's frying right now. So as soon as it's ready, I will come back and show you how it looks, so you can eat it like that, or also if you wanted to put inside it slash bread, you can do that too. Okay, so as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna show you the. Yes, guys, as I was telling you, you can show them the tilapia right now. So I'm taking it out right now. Okay, it's very colorful and everything, guys. Okay, that's the way I usually take it. It's very colorful, guys. Okay, show them. Okay, so as you can see, guys, so this is the tilapia right here. Very easy to make. Okay, as you can see, very tasty, guys. So it's gonna be up to you If you want, you can take 2 slices of bread. Okay, as you can see, this bread has not been opened yet. See, you can take 2 slices of bread. You know, you make your own sandwiches, guys. Okay, very easy. Okay, very easy, guys. Yummy. And also, when it finished cooking, one thing you can do too is to squeeze a little lime into it. Okay, bring the taste out. Okay, very important. Okay, guys, so as I already told you guys, please do not forget to subscribe and also share the videos, guys. Share it so your friend can see those little tricks, how to make the food and everything, guys. It's very important. Okay, guys, so do not forget to subscribe and share it. Okay, this is Jisher the community. As